Lundbreck Falls is a hidden gem in southwestern Alberta, offering stunning natural beauty and easy access for visitors of all ages. Located just off Highway 3A near the hamlet of Lundbreck and about 25 kilometers from Pincher Creek, the falls are a popular roadside stop for travelers exploring the Crowsnest Pass region. The Twin Falls drop approximately 12 meters into a deep pool, split by a small island that gives the cascade a mini Niagara appearance. Framed by rolling hills, rugged cliffs, and a historic rail bridge, the setting is incredibly photogenic, especially during sunrise or sunset. What makes Lundbreck Falls especially appealing is how accessible it is. Parking lots on both sides of the river offer well-maintained viewing platforms, and a short trail lets you approach the waterfall from above and below. On the north side, stairs lead down to the river's edge where you can feel the mist rising from the plunge pool, though visitors should be cautioned here of slippery rocks. In every season, the falls offer something special. In spring and after heavy rains, the flow is thunderous and dramatic. In summer and fall, it's a little calmer and surrounded by green or golden foliage. And in the winter, icicles from the canyon walls hang down, transforming the area into a frozen wonderland. For those looking to stay a while, the Lundbreck Falls Provincial Recreation Area features a seasonal campground with unserviced and powered sites, as well as walk-in tent spots. While the campground offers basic amenities like pit toilets and picnic tables, visitors should bring their own firewood and drinking water. The area is also popular for trout fishing in the Crowsnest River, and even whitewater kayaking for experienced paddlers downstream from the falls. It's a great place to enjoy a picnic, take photos, or simply relax to the sound of rushing water. Whether you're camping overnight or stopping briefly on a scenic drive, Lundbreck Falls offers a peaceful and picturesque retreat into nature.